In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and create your Remitly account. So let's get started. First, open Play Store. Then search Remitly. Click Install. After you downloaded the application, open it. Then choose your language for your Remitly, English, and click Continue. Now, create a new profile. And then choose the country where you're from. So I'm gonna send money from Slovakia. And then we need to choose the country where we want to send the money. But no worries, you can change it later, you can send money anywhere. Click Next. And now you need to write your email address. Then password. And then you can also unmark this checkbox so you will not receive special promotions and advertisements. Click Join Remitly. And now you can protect your information and sign it faster with biometrics. I really recommend this option because it's much safer when you have this option. So click Enable Biometrics. And that's it. This is how can you download, install and create a Remitly account on your mobile, on Android and iOS as well. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel. I'll see you later. Goodbye.